Hello, this is a Bridgeport 3-axis CNC vertical milling machine, model Explorer X-26. That's because it has 26 inches of cross travel. It has a BP 3M control, color CRT. Serial number is EXP281. You can see here the ways are in pristine condition. Table is very nice. Sprayed down so it doesn't rust right now. And there you go, the spindle is running at 200 RPM. Okay, let's see a demonstration. He just increased the speed to 400 RPM. By the way, again, this machine is all original paint. This is a rigid ram design. He stopped it. He's jogging the X-axis. The Y. And the Z. Bring the Z down. You can see there the quill is quite nice.
Loop system's working.
Loop is working. Okay. It's going to throw some oil back, so I'm going to stand back a little bit. That's in the high RPM range.
It's 1200 RPM.
It's 1200 RPM, quite quiet in the high range. Increase the RPM up to 2200 RPM. Sounds real nice. Bring back the Y so we can show them the ways back there again. Again, it's dovetail, chrome. They look real good. That's the one servo motor for the Z. That's for your X. And on the bottom there is your Y. Let's go show them the control also.
This is your control over here.
That's your control over there.
Power supply.
All nice and neat.
Servo drives, floppy drive.
Servo and floppy.
Wire
That's your wire diagram.
Backup disc.
Backup disc.
And there's 232 and serials over here.
Okay.
And printer port is over here.
Okay. That's your automatic lubrication system, which is a Bridgeport.
Air for air shifting speeds, AM brake.
Okay. And that's about it. Again, thanks for watching the video of the Explorer X-26 3-axis CNC mill with a BP 3M control. Thank you.